Ciao, dear Sicily lovers, and happy birthday to me! Happy birthday to me! This is my birthday, and it's an hard day because I can confess you that is the last year that I can see free in my age. So you can imagine my old. And I'm very happy today.
Your age.
My age. What I say? I saw.
My old.
My old. How old I am? Sorry.
This is the effect of the alcohol.
Effect. Yes, we had a wonderful lunch. I'm not alone. I decided to spend my birthday with Gianca. And so we decided to have a break. As you know, we are full of work in this period, very busy, but we decided to take a break and enjoy this wonderful sunny day here in Sicily. And we are in Castellammare del Golfo in a beautiful restaurant overlooking the beautiful seascape.
Facciamo vedere. Let's show our friend the location.
So I received a lot of messages wishing me happy birthday, and so this is for you guys. Thank you for your love. I feel so blessed to have you, this beautiful family of Sicily lovers, in my life, in my heart, and so toast with you. And this is not the end. I'm so happy because I received a beautiful birthday gift. This is a beautiful gift because it was born by a lucky venture between Gianca and Daniela.
Please show the back, show the side.
My beautiful birthday gift. A beautiful handmade crochet bag, and as you can see, you can recognize the beautiful Sicilian cart style. And so, thanks to Gianca and to Daniela for this beautiful gift.
Allora.
Come with me, Gianca.
Allora.
So you can explain the origin of this beautiful gift. I don't know if I'm going to upload on our online store because so far it's a unique piece. So I have to think about this. If you want this on our online store, put your thumbs up. Otherwise, it will be my personal birthday gift.
Allora, in the meantime, I would like to say hello to everyone. So it's Rosella's birthday, and I have to do my best to make Rosella happy. We tried to have a lunch in Terracini because we are overloaded with job, with work. And so we didn't want to go too far away. Terracini is very close to the place where we live, but unfortunately the best two restaurants in Terracini were closed, and so we decided.
For my birthday, can you imagine this?
So it's a shame. They don't know what they risk, and so we decided to come here in Castellammare. I think it's the first time we broadcast from Castellammare.
Yes.
And actually, this is a very, very nice location. It deserves it deserves a visit. Now we will try to show you a little bit, okay?
Yes,
So,
just an overview.
so in the meantime, let me say hello to Katie O'Brien. Ciao, Katie. Giuseppe
ciao.
LaBianca. I saw Anthony Ragusa. I saw Chita and Matteo. I saw many people wishing you happy birthday.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'm so happy. We are okay, even if, as you can see,
Catarina.
we are a little tired, but we are fine.
Ciao, Michele. A lot of people wrote. Oh, White Feather Curtis. Mwah, ciao. Gloria. Clifford. We have Peter Confalone. A lot of people. So, let's go.
Let's go.
No, we don't want to waste your time. We want to show you Castellammare del Golfo.
Just to the end, Gianca. It's time to...
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. At first, so from the scratch, the toast with you. That's the most important thing. Salute. Tanti auguri.
Grazie.
Salute. It's an excellent Sicilian wine named Cataratto. Very popular in Sicily, in particular in the area of Trapani, in the province of Trapani. We didn't say that we are in the province of Trapani.
Yeah.
Castellammare del Golfo is very important. Do you know what's the meaning of Castellammare del Golfo? Castellammare means castle in front of the sea. Del Golfo means of the Gulf. So Castellammare is so important. It's the most important village in the Gulf. So the Gulf takes the name from Castellammare, Castellammare del Golfo. So the Gulf of Castellammare. And you can realize, I'm sorry because the weather is not so good today.
I can switch for you, Gianca.
It's not clear enough, but you can see the one of the point there. Sorry, there. That's Rama Cape. So we are talking about Terracini. So that's the beginning of the Gulf. Then we have Trappeto. Then we have Balestrate. Then we have Alcamo. Then we have I think we have Castellammare del Golfo. Montelepro is in the is inside in the heartland. So we have Castellammare. If we go on, we have Scopello. We have the beautiful Zingaro Nature Reserve, and the Gulf ends with San Vito Lo Capo, with Capo San Vito's Cape. So it's a very beautiful and large gulf here in Sicily, and it takes the name from Castellammare. But now I would like to show again the beach. The beach is wonderful. It's a sort of very narrow beach. So this is just one of the beautiful beaches in this area. As you can see, the water is very clear, very pristine. So you can see another part of the beach over there. And I think it's time to display.
Discover, yes, the port, the harbour. So let's go,
And this
Gianca.
is Rosella. Can you help me?
What, drinking the wine for you?
No, Rosella.
Let's go.
Andiamo. Ciao, arrivederci.
Ciao.
Complimenti ancora.
We had the pasta with fish.
Excellent meal today.
Busiate allo scoglio.
Yeah,
I had busiate allo scoglio.
I had the same, but rice, not pasta. Busiate is handmade pasta. So now we are walking to the port. The port is just, downstairs, and we are walking through the through the history, through the heritage, because now we will show you a beautiful stairway made by the Arabs about 1,000 years ago. That's incredible, guys. I'm not joking. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Because ascendere tutti i santi aiutano. Try to translate, Gianca.
Oh, let me display the beautiful hills. So, guys, this stairway connects the ancient town, the historical area of Castellammare, with the port, with the harbor, because this is a fishing village.
Yes.
And
look at the beautiful mountains over there. So not only a beautiful seascape, but also a beautiful landscape.
so as you can see, this is a arch. This is a part of the fortified town. And that's the harbor, the fishing port, the marina, how do you say? Because Castellammare is one of the most important fishing centers here in Sicily. Look at the limestone. Tufo, the tufo stone, the limestone. Everything is built by the limestone.
They are very easy to work.
Yeah,
no?
very soft stone.
Oh, look at this corner. So nice.
So let's say something about Castellammare. It's so important. Castellammare has a long history. It dates back to the Hellenians. So you know.
So in all the heritage, guys.
This part of Sicily was not colonized, ruled by the ancient Greeks. The Hellenians, some people coming from the area of the Greece that we can say that we can relate to Troy. You know Troy? They ran away from Troy. They were Trojan exiles, and they founded Segesta, they founded Erice, some beautiful villages in the western part of Sicily, and Castellammare del Golfo. So, for those who don't know what Segesta is a beautiful archaeological site. Just in the middle between Palermo and Trapani.
And if you have, during your trip to Sicily, if you don't have so much time to visit the Valley of the Temple, Segesta deserves your visit.
Yeah, it's very easy to reach because you just drive the highway from Palermo to Trapani, and in the middle you have an exit. And you can Calatafimi, Segesta, so it's very, very easy. In 5 minutes you have a beautiful Doric temple from the 5th century before Christ, with a beautiful, also there is a beautiful theater, ancient theater, and Segesta now is an archaeological site. But in the past it was an important town, and it's in the earthland, so it's not by the sea. And Castellammare del Golfo was the port of Segesta.
Yeah, so a main, an important rule.
So we are talking about the 5th century before Christ. What about, it's about 2500s. 25, hundreds. It's a sort of, as Rosella said, a strategic place since the very beginning. Then the Arabs came to Sicily in the 9th, 10th century after Christ, and they built how do you say, more and more Castellammare del Golfo. They fortified the ancient town. As you can see, everything is...
Ma quanto è bravo sto picciotto, sa passare cose.
Faccio niente.
Bravo, bravo.
Facciamo ability. Let's display
fishermen.
the people from Castellammare.
Yes. And also the fisherman is working with the nets. Oh, over there they are selling fish. So first display.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Siamo cucchiani riti? Siamo in diretta.
Ci volete fare un saluto?
Vogliamo
Siamo
fare
in
un
diretta in
saluto?
America, Australia, Canada.
Allora salutiamo sia l'America.
Aspetta.
Aspetta che vengo pure da lei. Aspetta. Com'è un discorso?
Mancano meglio però ancora, sogno meglio ride, ma mancano meglio.
Volete salutare? Tutti gli amici del mondo.
Tutta la vita del mondo.
Tutti i kid che hanno origine a Castellammare. So please say hello to all the people that have an origin from here.
Ora c'ha a dire in siciliano però, in Sicilian.
Salutasse a tutti i kid che hanno origini qua di Castellammare.
L'America da qualche parente, comune con chi tu quello che arrestare lì.
They also have relatives in the States, of course.
Grazie, buon lavoro.
Buon lavoro. Ma mattina, guarda, a che ora vi su siti, che io sono curiosa. A che ora ite a pescare?
Facciamo solo su tempo, l'avvocato ci va qua notte, a magari siamo qua.
E 5 mattina, più o meno?
No, ci vorrebbe.
E 6? So they get up very early in the morning, more or less at 6 o'clock in the morning. So
5, he said 5 o'clock.
5, 6. No, he said id si susano e 5, id 6. They like to sleep more, so they get up at 6 o'clock. They get up at 5 o'clock.
Stamattina io dormo, loro non possono dormire. Però che dorme non piglia pesce.
This is important. So who sleep never can catch fish. So
So there is an old sentence, an old proverb in Sicily, in Italy.
me.
So guys, there is a challenge. There is a challenge between fishermen. This guy said he gets up at 10 o'clock in the morning. Vieni qua, dove vai? Come ti chiami? Vieni qua. Antonino, e tu dici, hai detto che invece tu prendi un sacco di pesci. Un topolamento. So he said he gets up at 10 o'clock in the morning and he catches a lot of fish. So he doesn't care about the early wake up. Fai vedere. Facciamo
So
vedere.
Gianca,
Let's
please.
display.
Allora, che ne dici qua?
Look back.
Chi pigliasti?
Black squat. English black squat.
Bravo. Congratulations.
Grazie. E Caidi che fanno?
Caidi stanno
They are
pulizzando
selling
fish.
fresh fish. Let's go closer, Gianca.
Ci possiamo avvicinare, siamo in diretta.
Volete fare un
Col mondo intero. Col mondo
America,
intero.
Canada, Australia, tutto il mondo.
Auguri per l'Ucraina.
Bravo, che ce ne vuole, la pace.
Un pesce vivo, vieni qua.
They are saying, they are wishing peace to everyone. We need peace, not only fish, also peace. Oh, he's still alive.
Caput.
Questo è vivo, questo è vivo.
Ancora sa.
Vivo. Che pesce è questo? Triglia? Scorfano.
Brodo bollito.
So they are talking about the best fish for the soap. Questo è per fare il pesce al brodo. Vediamo che cosa c'è
E
qua.
qua il nero di seppia, Gianca.
Aspetta, facciamo vedere l'altro pesce.
The ink squid.
Questo cos'è questo invece? Che pesci sono questi? Merluzzo?
Sì.
Bello.
Sì.
Ma tu come che parli così buono l'inglese?
Perché signora io se ne scappare e se ne era in
Perché noi purtroppo ai giorni d'oggi dobbiamo parlare tutte le lingue.
Poi
Bravo.
stavano morendo di fame, detto in chissà la verità.
L'estate io lavoro con i turisti, perché facendo chiacchierare con i turisti ho imparato pure io un po' a parlare.
Bravo.
Very good.
We used to have a wonderful pasta dish with this kind of ink. Right, Gianca?
It's one of my favorites.
So if you come to Sicily, a must.
La pasta col nero di seppia. A chi è che non piace la pasta col nero di seppia? A tutti piace.
Ah, ok signore, perfetto. Sì, signore. Ora ci siamo.
Buon lavoro a tutti e grazie. Ciao.
Arrivederci, buona giornata,
Ciao,
buon
Danilo.
lavoro, buon lavoro. Ciao, ciao.
Gianca, please, did you show the castle?
No, I didn't. I didn't, Rosella. I forgot to show to display the castle.
And also this beautiful postcard.
Oh, this is so authentic, so nice.
I think that is very look like Shaka, more or less, no?
Yeah, something like Shaka.
Yeah.
But I forgot to mention the castle. Guys, that's the back. That's the back of the castle. The castle is one of the symbols of this town. Actually, the name Castellammare del Golfo means castle by the sea of the Gulf. Again, one more time. So it gives the name to the entire Gulf of Castellammare, the namesake Gulf of Castellammare, and that's the castle. I was talking about the Arab domination. So first came the Arabs, then the Normans, as in the history of Sicily. They came here in the 11th century, and they fortified even better the town, the ancient town. I don't remember if I said the name of Castellammare. It has a controversial origin. The old name was Al Magarid, that is related to the staircase that we walked before. It means staircase in Arabian, in Arab language. Then, with the Normans, it took a Latin word, a Latin name, Castrum al mare de Golfo. Castrum at mare de Golfo. That's very, very similar to the latest, to the newest name, Castellammare del Golfo. That means the castle in front of the sea of the Gulf.
And as you can see, it's a fishing village, no doubt about this, because
It
you
was
can see
so important. Yeah, it was so important till the 70s. Just like one of the most important fishing villages here in Sicily. Now Castellammare is one of the most touristic locations that we have in Sicily. The people who live here, they make boat excursions, so they have to do with tourists, not only with fish. Of course, the ancient jobs, such as the fishermen, they are still alive, they still exist. But now Castellammare, in particular in July and August, is very, very crowded, very full of people. People from Rome, Milano, from Italy in particular, but also German, French people. It's not, it's still, veiled, undiscovered for the majority of the tourists who come to Sicily.
Yes.
But
we can say that it's still authentic.
Yeah, that's I I think it's if you have at least a couple of weeks to spend here in Sicily, you can spend 1 day in Castellammare. If you love the, how do you say, if you love the sea, if you love the boat experiences, this could be your starting point for a beautiful boat tour.
And maybe we can add a fishing experience.
That way, Rosella, that way. What's there? Do you know? Over there.
San Vito.
But before, the Zingaro Nature
Zingaro.
Reserve.
Yeah.
Guys, I recommend you. This is one of my favorite locations here in Sicily. It's a nature reserve, so nothing. You have no restaurants, you have no hotels. It's a nature, without the evidence of the urbanization. So if you love the sea, if you love the nature, it's completely wild, but it's beautiful. You can walk for about 5 miles.
It's about 1 hour and a half,
You have to be in very, very good physical conditions, so very healthy. But if you are lazy, like Rosella, you can take a boat starting from here. So you can leave from Castellammare del Golfo and have a beautiful boat trip. It's a sort of day trip. You can visit all the several coves, small beaches in the Zingaro Nature Reserve till San Vito Lo Capo. San Vito Lo Capo is one of the best, sandy, gold beaches that we have in Sicily. It could be your last step of the tour. You can decide to come back here to Castellammare del Golfo or remain or stay in San Vito Lo Capo. But you have to, you have to stay here in Sicily at least two weeks. Or you can do like some people from Milan or Rome do. They only stay here in Castellammare for a week, in San Vito Lo Capo, for example, for a week, and they don't see anything else. They only relax, they only want to spend their leisure time at the beach. I respect them, okay? Because
I need a vacation like this, guys.
I say it's another philosophy. It's another kind of tourism. In my opinion, this is a full vacation, full leisure. Those people don't see nothing at all about Sicily, and it's a pity because if you come to Sicily, you know we have 14 different UNESCO sites. We have the best locations to the best medieval towns, the best cities of arts. We have archaeological sites. We have many more beautiful seaside locations
But
the
most important thing we have
is the food.
The food and wine.
The food and wine. So it's a pity you come to Sicily for 10 days and you remain just like a prison here in this area. I respect them. I don't want to say that it's not correct, that it's wrong. I don't say this, but if I have an opportunity, as Rosella knows, when we have an opportunity, when we have, for example, we went to the United States, we had 3 weeks and we didn't stay, we didn't stop for more than 2 nights in the same place because we had the volunteer to visit the most we can, and so it's this is our philosophy.
You have to know that every time that we and Gianca and I go on vacation, he every time tell me, Rosella, please, we are on vacation, stop, go slowly, because I want to visit everything, I want to see everything, so I'm a stressful woman, also during the vacation time.
She's very demanding, and so it's, I don't have any opportunity to relax.
Never.
To rest.
Never.
I still remember the last time we went to Naples. No, not the last time. The time before. It was the first time for Rosella. Rosella studied everything, and we had 4 times without any pause, any relaxing time but we saw everything.
But don't worry, when we plan tour of Sicily, this is not our philosophy.
Yeah.
We offer you the best leisure time to enjoy the Sicily at the ultimate point, no?
Yeah. let me say something, guys. It's a surprise. It's still a surprise. We are working in these days for the next edition of the Sicily Lovers Tour 2023. And you're giving me the opportunity to talk about leisure time. So next time, 2023, we will start from May. Do you remember the date?
Sure.
What's the date?
28 or 29?
She doesn't remember anything. I think it's May 29. Are you sure?
Or 28?
Guys, is it by the
We
end
will
of
let you know.
by the end of May? I'm sure the tour will end on June
10, it's
10th.
easy.
10th, it's easy.
So 12 days before.
So
13 days before.
compared to this edition, compared to the Sicily Lovers Tour 2022, we decided to add one more day. And another important thing, we decided to add one more home base.
Yes.
And it will be a special location that we have in Sicily. If you follow us, if you've been following us for a long time, you know that our tours, we always recommend to stay in Palermo at the beginning of the tour, because we recommend to fly into Palermo. Then we go to the east side of Sicily, because Palermo is very important, it's very strategic to explore the west side of Sicily. Then we go to the east side, and we used to recommend our guests, our clients, to stay in Ragusa, in Syracuse.
So southeast.
And then in Taormina, in the northeast. This time we added one more home base. I have to reveal it. So guys, we are talking about Cefalù. Cefalù is one of my favorite places in Sicily. I have no secret. I'm clear. I'm a clear man.
But you have to wait.
Two nights in Cefalù. They will give you the opportunity to explore the area of Madonia, a beautiful area of Sicily, and then one, I would say, half day dedicated to leisure in Cefalù. Cefalù offers a beautiful beach, offers many opportunities in the historical area, in terms of food, in terms of beautiful attractions to visit. And so,
But this is another chapter.
this is another chapter, and
We will let you know the date.
we are working on the tour. Now we worked to the itinerary. We secured all the rooms of the
Yes.
accommodations. So we booked in advance all the hotels of the best hotels, because you know the risk is you arrive late and everything is sold out. So in this case we worked in advance.
More than 1 year. in
More than
advance.
1 year to offer you the best accommodations. Now of course, we have to work. We have to focus on the details, such as local guides, restaurants, bus companies. What else? The food and wine experiences. But in this case, I just say we have done the most important thing, the accommodations.
Yes.
So we will stay, or you will stay, 3 nights in Palermo, 2 nights in Cefalù, 2 nights in Ragusa, 2 nights in Syracuse, and 3 nights in Taormina.
Yes.
That's the itinerary. But in a few days we will publish the full itinerary with the full contents, photos, and details.
And if you want to know in advance the details, send us a message and we will send you the details in advance.
And for those who still don't know what we do, let me summarize. So, if you want to visit Sicily, please visit bestthingstodoinsicily.com. That's our website. If you can't, and if you want us to bring Sicily to you, please visit SicilyLover.com. And you can find something like this. Something like our special, sorry Rosella,
my beautiful handmade crochet earrings and
the necklace. And perhaps
maybe this is my birthday gift. What do you think, guys? So far is a unique piece.
So it reminds the traditional style used in the Sicilian carts.
Also the pompon here to open. And of course, you can find our brand, SicilyLover.com.
Sicily Lover with our logo. Show the logo. Okay. Guys, this is our business.
I'm so happy. Thank you, Daniela, and thank you, Gianca, for this beautiful birthday gift. This is wonderful. I feel so lucky to have you in my life.
Thank you, Rosella, for existing, for for making our life so
colorful like this.
When something is boring, so to make for making our life exciting. If Rosella didn't exist, our life would be boring. So we had to invent Rosella to make our life exciting. She's always in activity. She's always in she always works, also in the night. Sometimes when I sleep, I hear Rosella talking on her own, by herself, talking about business. So also when she drinks, she thinks about what she has to do the day after.
And we have so many things to do, Gianca. So maybe now it's time to come back and start again working.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We have to be back at in front of the computer to answer some emails, because our
this time we have a crazy May.
Our tourism activity is
explode.
Is in front of us. In a few days, we are super happy to hug two beautiful groups of wonderful people, the Rubino family and the Spatafora family, and then they will come here in Sicily in a few days. And then in May, guys, May will be a crazy month for us. How many groups we have?
More than 10. More than 10. This will
10
be very
groups, but in particular the group of Massimo Bruno, a group of 20 Canadians. It will be, it's an incredible tour.
Then we have Donna Naples to meet, Tom McLean, and then we have a lot of people.
Also some people from Singapore.
Yes.
So it's the first time for us to manage people from Singapore. Our first time. and
of course in June we have our baby, our Sicily Lovers tour. And
our creation.
Yes.
We've been working to the Sicily Lovers tour before the pandemic.
Then the pandemic stopped us.
So it's a tour. It's a 3 years old tour, and we can wait to hug the clients, the participants of the Sicily Lovers Tour. We are talking about 18 Americans. Beautiful people, such as Liz Storm. Perhaps Liz Storm is watching us. I don't know.
And Paul and Lisa Lucido.
Paul and Lisa Lucido from Terracini.
Guys, we love you. We can wait to hug you. If you want to have an idea of what we can offer you, you can visit our website, bestthingstodoinsicily.com.
But please.
And the other one.
But please don't ask us to visit Sicily in May.
Yes.
I'm not joking, guys. We can't manage any more clients in May, but not because we don't want, because the best accommodations are sold out. The bus companies are all busy.
Also the best tour local guides.
The local guides, in particular, the local guides are all busy. So.
And also, as we are not able to divide.
Yeah.
Because we want to meet everyone, but we have to divide.
Yeah.
So if you want to visit us, we can wait to argue, for example, during the Sicily Lovers tour.
Yeah. It could
Guys,
be a great opportunity.
We love you. So bestthingstodoinsicily.com and sicilylover.com.
So you can decide if you want to visit Sicily. Best things to do in Sicily.com. If you want Sicily to, how do you say? If you want us to bring Sicily to you, SiciliLover.com.
And this time we have to say all together, happy birthday to Rosella!
Happy birthday to you.
To me.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rosella. Happy birthday to you. Thank you, Rosella.
Thank you, dear Sicily
Thank you
lovers.
for
Thank
existing.
You, Gianca. And thank you again for my beautiful birthday bags gift.
Grazie Daniela. Thank you, Daniela, for making this the last masterpiece. This is a masterpiece. Handmade, because everything is handmade.
Of course.
I didn't say that in our online store, SiciliLover.com, everything is handmade by
wonderful artisans.
wonderful people, such as like Daniela, and they all make this creation with by their hands.
And with a lot of love. So, all together, we can say, love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily.
Ciao.
Ciao, dear Sicily lovers. Thanks for all your birthday gift.
Sei in diretta ancora, se vuoi puoi dire quello che vuoi.
Thank you again for all your messages. I will try to reply you during the night.